shit, what is that?
I feel safer here.
There's mushrooms in the air.
Like some unknown fucking... If you look there, see where that is? That area.
Yeah, honestly.
Do you want to,
let's go check it out. Yeah.
There's a loop there, man.
This, oh, that's cool, because we've got like a whole... Bro, that'll all burn really well.
Yeah.
We can walk back this way, see if there's anything over here.
We just go back to all the shit to go.
Ooh.
Oh, this is alright.
Is there enough spots for our tents? One can go there. Yeah, honestly, this. I say this.
Yeah, this is not bad.
Alright, let's go get our shit. Just careful, don't trip.
Yeah.
He proceeds to run. Shit, no, it's gone.
I like how I looked as well. I know everything was there. It's also the wrong way around.
Bro, you are honestly like a methane machine.
Do you want me to go and get them rocks from that part?
Yeah, if you're
I've got nothing to do. You really gonna let me go out on a solo mission?
And we never saw David again.
The guy who's never camped wild. Guys, also, I've got the flashlight directly where the fire's
I'm
gonna
definitely on a tilt.
be. Do you want help? I'm asking, I'm giving you help like I'm gonna fucking help you.
Mate, because I got this fucking head torch, all the midges are coming towards me.
Yeah, that's why I think mine up and all the midges are staying away from me. It's nice. Mine is not the best.
It literally tells you here, barbecues must not be taken inside or near the entrance to your tent. Carbon monoxide can kill.
Ah, it's only a suggestion.
Exactly, fact.
Use that for that as well.
We have fire.
Thank you.
Bro, I got that on camera. You can't see anything though. Oh wait, no, you can't actually.
Oh wait, hold on.
It does no, the fire actually lights it.
Oh, does it? Oh yeah, to be, yeah.
Hello, David. Hello. The stick man has come back. What the fuck? What is that?
Chris, what have you done?
I mean, we did say get a big log, to be fair, but I wish I got the
the noise.
The noise on record. Yeah, we just heard a huge snap. I think that might be a bit too big for our fire.
We were just talking, and then all we hear is bang.
See? I'm gonna fucking go.
Oh, sitting down and doing that though, it's gonna be kind of hard.
Oh mate, still gonna stretch my feet out. Finally.
Ah, double knotted. It's so hard. It was, yeah.
No, you're not.
Good night.
Good night.
What? Good night.
Good night.
Oh, it looks so nice. Right, boys. Let's start to make some form of a movement. David, you awake? Wakey, wakey. I actually had a really comfortable night.
Same, I slept really nice.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if I did.
Apart from my pillow, which was my bag. Holy fuck, you and your...
I actually kind of need a poo.
Well, you got your toilet paper.
Oh my god! It's kind of, there's literally just people...
Not too fussed, it's going to heat up.
People camped right over there. Look how close they are. My focus isn't working. Oh, I know why. How close they actually are.
They're a lot closer than I thought. It's hard to tell at night.
We haven't seen any of this during the day yet though, have we?
No, we haven't.
It does look very cloudy.
It didn't look like they were that close last night.
Hello, Chris. Yeah, then...
Hello.
Remnants of the fire. That will not snap. There is no way that is snapping.
That is dodgy as fuck.
Wait, no, this isn't the huge tree though, is it? I know it is.
This is-
Yeah,
this is
no,
the-
I thought that was the...
Oh, the tent's just over there.
Yeah. No, not much.
Oh, that's thinking. That's thinking.
There is actually just a fat cave there. If you fell in now.
I really need a poo, you know. It's alright.
Hey, do you want to watch your pole?
No, not really.
Fact, what's your pulse? Not gonna lie though, I do need a drink. I do need a bit of water.
Yeah, I need a drink. Is that your pillow? You had a pillow?
I told you I had an inflatable pillow.
Oh my god.
Bro, I had to take I woke up at like, it must have been about 3. And I was sweating in that coat. I woke up in my bed, I was like...
You were wearing your
I
coat.
wore my coat into my sleeping bag with the hood on and on the pillow.
Maniac.
I was fucking comfy.
Oh my god.
And then you just stick it in. Yeah, with the sleeping bag.
Hey, I was the first to put my tent away. Done.
Bitch, I'm 21, but I still walk around with fake ID. What? Cuddle with the homies, want you stand by me. This dick ain't free, baby, pay my fee. Let me live my life, baby.
It's so missed. Oh, look. Sheep are scatting. They're moving. That's not a... Is it a ram if it's a male sheep? Is that what they're called? Yeah, ram. Can I stroke one? I reckon I try to stroke one.
Tired already.
We've begun. Cars down over there. Scafell Pike. This isn't the top by there, I think there's more behind it.
No, there is more behind it. There must be.
Oh, that must be Windermere over there. we go. There's the top. Found the top. There he is. Why did you run ahead again? Saw what?
Saw the top, so I just went for it. You missed the happy birthday sing. Really? Started singing happy birthday. Everyone on the fucking mountain.
What?
Literally when I was down there, I heard it from around there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. And that's the other Twin Peak of. That's the other Twin Peak, but you can't see it because the clouds. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I'm starving.
On an iris, bold in the morning, yeah, just like a virus. Tongue getting nutty, ain't talking no sirens. Put up on a booty, yeah, we some pirates. I don't know why we got huge privates. I guess we're kinda blessed, I can't complain about it. Every day I get another check, I won't complain about it. Bitch, I'm 21, but I